Turkey's military drones are getting a lot of attention. They're now important in conflicts around Turkey. From Syria to the Mediterranean Sea, everyone knows about Turkish drones. But how did Turkey become so good at making drones? For a long time, Turkey depended on other countries for military equipment, but that started to change as Turkey wanted to build up its own defense systems. They put a lot of money into research, especially for unmanned aerial vehicles or UAVs, which are also called drones. This was a smart move. Turkey quickly became a top drone maker and seller. Their drones are used in many dangerous places around the world. This success has also caused arguments, with some people liking and others disliking Turkey's drone program. In December 2024, everyone was shocked by news of a Turkish drone strike in Syria. 11 civilians, including 6 children, died near the town of Ain Issa. This sad event showed how complicated Turkey's drone operations are. The strike targeted an area controlled by Kurdish fighters. Turkey and these Kurdish groups have been fighting for a long time. Turkey sees them as dangerous. But this event made many human rights groups around the world very angry. The December strike wasn't the only one. There have been many Turkish drone operations in northern Syria. These operations have made things worse in the area. They've also made people worry about civilians getting hurt. To understand why Turkey uses drones, we need to look at what they want in Syria. Turkey has been involved in the Syrian civil war since the beginning. They've helped different rebel groups fighting the Syrian government. Turkey is especially worried about Kurdish groups in northern Syria. Turkey sees these groups, especially the YPG, as part of the PKK. The PKK is called a terrorist group by Turkey, the United States, and Europe. They've been fighting Turkey for many years. Turkey is afraid that if Kurds control part of northern Syria, the PKK will become stronger. It could also cause problems with Kurds living in Turkey. To stop this, Turkey has attacked Syria several times. They want to create a safe area without Kurdish fighters. Drones are very important for these attacks. Let's look at Turkey's most important drones. The most famous is the Bayraktar TB2. This drone can fly high for a long time. It's known for being effective in combat. The Bayraktar TB2 can do many things. It can spy and take pictures. It can also carry bombs. Because it's not too expensive and can do many things, many countries want to buy it. Another important drone is the Anka S. This drone, made by Turkish Aerospace Industries, is another success for Turkey. Like the Bayraktar TB2, the Anka S is good at spying and taking pictures. It can also carry missiles. Turkey isn't stopping. They're still putting money into research to make their drones even better. They want drones that can fly farther, carry more, and fly on their own. If drones can fly farther, they can operate from faraway bases, making them harder to destroy. If they can carry more, they can carry more weapons or cameras. If drones can fly on their own, human operators can focus on other important tasks. These improvements make Turkey a big player in the drone world. Other countries have different opinions about Turkey's drones. Some countries are now less friendly with Turkey, while others are more friendly. The United States, which is Turkey's ally, is worried about Turkey's drone strikes in Syria. These strikes target Kurdish fighters. The United States supports these fighters against ISIS. The United States is afraid Turkey's actions will make it harder to fight terrorism and could cause more problems in Syria, but other countries want to buy Turkey's drones. Countries with similar problems want these drones. Selling drones helps Turkey's economy and makes it more powerful in the world. In December 2024, something happened that showed how sensitive Turkey's drone program is. A French military report about Turkey's drone industry was hidden. This happened because Turkey pressured France. Nobody knows what's in the report. But the fact that Turkey made France hide it is important. It shows that Turkey is becoming more powerful. It also shows that Turkey wants to control what people say about its drones. This shows that Turkey's drones are not just a technology story, they are changing the world. Turkey's drone program is good and bad. It's a big technological success. It has made Turkey's military much stronger. It lets Turkey show its power around the world. But people don't like that civilians are dying in drone strikes, like what happened in December 2024 in Syria. This makes people say Turkey is careless and doesn't care about civilian lives. Other countries are still trying to understand what Turkey's drone program means. It's a complicated problem. But one thing is clear, Turkish drones are here to stay. What will happen with Turkish drones in the future? Turkey is not stopping. They want to be the most powerful country for drones. Turkey will keep spending money on research to make their drones even better. They'll be working on things like artificial intelligence, groups of drones working together, and very fast drones. As Turkey's drones get better, Turkey will become more powerful in the world. Everyone will be watching to see what Turkey does with its drones. The future of war will use more drones, and Turkey wants to be in charge.